Yep. So here we are. Let's talk about Matic at the moment. So there's this, bull pennant for Matic that has already formed out. And what I'm going to say about this one is that when you moved high like this, you made the pennant, right? You broke to the downside for the pennant, and the technical target of this pennant was actually met. So let's bring in this one and all of this. Man, you don't know how much you're going to learn from this course. You're going to enjoy every little detail about it. So the first thing is that when you broke out of there, so this was a technical target that you met. If you look at it, this is where you broke out and then you came down to 0.7222, right? And that's why I say trading does work. Everything has a clue. The next thing that you're doing now is you made the morning star, and you probably came up to break this pennant at the moment, and there's a good chance that you're looking for Matic to make its move up to 1.6594. But I do expect a small retracement before we move higher, probably down here to this line again, which can actually come down just like this, come down, touch this line, and then make its move to 1.6242 in the future, and maybe get rejected and start to roll down once again to the downside. Who knows? But this is what I'm looking forward to in the next coming few days. So it's a little bit overextended, but you never know. Keep in mind one more thing. You really have to keep this in mind. You never know if you make this as a first top and a second top, and you just make a double top and you come down, you break this level, and you actually move to the 57 as well. So be very, very, very careful at the moment, actually. So it's two, three things on the charts. I know it's confusing at the moment, but it's something that I want to point out. This can also be a double top and you move to the downside because you've been actually rallying to the upside too much that you can make a double top. But if Bitcoin gets bullish somehow, then we might see an explosion for Matic. By the way Ethereum is looking to go to $2,500 tells me a lot because Matic and Ethereum are kind of linked together. So if you see Ethereum getting bullish, there's a good chance Matic is going to get bullish as well. And that's it for Matic at the moment. Let's move on to the next one, which is SLP.